So if you're like me this holiday season, you're going to be doing some hosting at your home. You may be away some, but you're also probably going to have people in your home at some point. And we all like our home to smell fresh, homey, ready for the holiday season. I like to do that with a diffuser because it's better for my health and my family's wellness. And I like to diffuse different things, but I do have my favorites. One of my favorite recipes is a gingerbread recipe that I shared before. I love that one. And the way that I do that, I make it in large batches, which helps to free up some of my time so I'm not counting out different oils and putting in the right amounts. So this is a blend that you would add to your diffuser. The regular recipe calls for 5 drops of cinnamon bark, 3 drops of clove, and 2 drops of ginger. And I have several diffusers in my home, so instead of going and adding the oils to the specific diffusers that I want it in, and doing that times 3 diffusers, what I like to do is I like to make a diffuser bomb so that I can just add a few drops. And so the way that I do that, first of all, I love using Young Living bottles or some of their product bottles to make diffuser bombs in. It's easy to go and put those oils in your diffuser. So you can do this with your empty oil bottles. This is another product that Young Living carries, and the bottle's empty, so now I'm reusing it as a diffuser bomb. So the way that I would do that is I would just make a larger amount by multiplying those drops of oil. So what I've typically done in the past, instead of doing 5 drops of cinnamon bark, I'm putting in 30 drops of cinnamon bark in my bottle. Instead of 3 drops of clove, I'm adding 18 drops of clove. And instead of 2 drops of ginger, I'm adding 12 drops of ginger in my bottle. That way I can swirl it around to mix it up. And then when I'm ready to have my event at my home, I just go get my diffuser bomb and add a few drops of oil directly to my diffusers straight from this bottle instead of having to count out the individual drops. And so that may seem something that is small, but added in, the different diffusers, a minute here, a minute there. It's just more time that takes away from my family. And when I have it all ready to go, then I can spend more time doing the things that are important, like spending time with my family this holiday season.